Hey everybody, today we're going to go through a quick and easy checklist on how to use a Canon 60D. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guy will be ready to help you start filming in no time. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a fully charged battery. Insert it into the camera . Don't forget your SD card. I recommend using one with a large capacity and a fast read-write speed to handle high qualities in the future if you want to. Turn on the camera. And switch it to film mode. Now head into settings and set your resolution to 1920 by 1080 and set your frame rate to 25 frames per second. For video, if you're going to do a film, do 24 frames per second. Now we should format the card to ensure a clean card for recording. I recommend go through the card beforehand to make sure there's nothing important on it, as once formatted, it is gone forever. Set all your settings to manual, including focus. This will give you complete control over how your footage will look. Also, it may sound useful, but it's all done by the camera, and the camera does not know what you want to show and see. Now let's set the shutter speed to 1/50th. Remember, your shutter speed should always be double your frame rate. This ratio creates a natural looking motion blur. Adjust the f-stop based on how big or small you want the depth of field to be. 1.8 has a very small depth of field, but has a better time capturing light. But a bigger depth of field like 22 has a wider depth of field, allowing more things to be in focus, but has a very hard time capturing that light. Next up is ISO. Keep this as low as possible to avoid grainy footage. If you're filming outdoors, I recommend using 200 ISO, and if you're filming indoors, I recommend using 400 ISO. These usually work. Now you've set your ISO, shutter speed and f-stop, you should white balance your camera. You do this because it gives you clean whites. You do this by, wherever you're filming, have something white, maybe a piece of paper, a hoodie, jacket, someone's bag. Put it in front of the camera, take a picture, go into your settings, find custom white balance, and use that picture. This ensures that your scene has nice clean whites to make it easier to edit. Now I've gone over everything to do with exposure. I'm warning you, don't overexpose it, as you'll be permanently losing detail. If possible, try to either get it perfect or underexpose it. To make focusing easier, zoom in on your target. You can do this either manually, if you a zoom lens, or what I prefer is playback button, because it digitally zooms in, you're not moving anywhere, not touching the camera, all you're doing is focusing on the person. Avoid using internal microphones, but they can be useful. Instead, using external mics like a shotgun mic and a zoom recorder. This will give you much better control over your audio and cleaner quality. So when you're going to edit in post-production, use your camera audio to sync it with your external audio. Stable and smooth footage, use a tripod, brace, or a gimbal. This will help you avoid those shaky shots. Lighting is crucial. Start with natural light whenever possible, but add external lights to gain much control over your scene. Lights can change your scene in many different ways. Once everything's set up, remember when you start filming, a Canon 60D has a 10 to 12 minute recording limit, aka a 4 GB limit. Keep an eye on this when you're planning to record and plan your shots accordingly. And that's it, you're all set to create awesome videos with your Canon 60D. Thank you for watching this video. Find this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy filming.